I really do need to shave my head. It's been a week that I haven't done it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I've done videos on shaving my head and the process that I go through. So for the last, I'll say about 2 years, I've been using a straight razor right here. And I really do enjoy the process of using a straight razor. It's a very intimate process. You get to know the shape of your head, and it teaches you patience. So you gotta go real slow so you don't cut yourself. But when done right, it gives a very, very smooth surface on your head or on your face. However, lately I've been seeing an ad of a device that claims to do the same job that the straight razor does, quicker with no risk of you cutting yourself. So I was intrigued and I bought one. I don't know if you guys have seen this. It's called Freedom Grooming. Let me show you the name right there. If you can focus. There you go. Freedom Grooming. So it's this little device here that, I've seen videos of guys doing it, and it looks like it does give you a nice shave. So I was very interested and see if it will do what it says it will do. So let's open this up, see what's in here. So first you got a welcome card. Cool. This is the actual device. Let me see if I can take this out so you guys can see. So that's the actual device right there. Cool. A trimmer. It's a trimmer that comes with it. Alright. This is the actual shaver. I guess you attach this to this. Oh, there you go. And it looks like this. Okay. Comes with other things. This looks like a nose trimmer. There you go. Oh, it's like, I guess, for exfoliation. Cool. Oh, it has these that come with it as well. If you can see that. There you go. So there's 3 of them that you can attach to the trimmer. I don't know what this is for, but I shall find out. And I guess something to charge it. Cool. And that's it. Just a little brush to, I guess, clean it. Alright, so I'm gonna just show you a quick B-roll of everything that I got, and then we're gonna see if this really works. Alright guys, before I start shaving my hair, I just want to give you a quick preview of what my hair looks like pre-shave. So as you can see, I have hair there on my side and coming up to the front. You can see I have a little bald spot there and down to the other side again. You can't see it too well on this side, but there's some hair there. Alright guys, so first thing I do is lather up my head with some shave cream. Then I take the shaver, turn it on, and There's two ways that you can use this on your head. You can either go in a circular motion like this. I've realized doing it this way takes a little bit longer, but the way that I prefer is a straight line. So you can either go back to front or side to side. This is a much quicker way to shave your head using this Freedom Grooming shaver. So as you can see, it's really close to my skin. It does not cut my skin at all. It actually feels like it's massaging my skin. And I just carefully go through the areas that have hair on it. All right, so I don't want to bore you guys with this whole video of me shaving my head, so let's speed it up a little bit. So this is after I used the shave cream and I washed it off. As you can see, it didn't really quite cut my hair. I literally now have bald spots with bits of pieces of hair all around my head. So I wasn't really quite satisfied with that first round. So I figured, you know what? I might just have to do a second round of this. So let's talk about the time efficiency and the effectiveness of the Freedom Grooming shaver compared to the safety razor. So time efficiency, it's definitely quicker to use this on your head than it is to use a safety razor. Even though I had to do it twice in that video as you saw, I did 2 rounds. So the first round, put some shave cream on my head, shaved, washed it off. I could still see and feel some hair on it. So second round, I just put some water on it and just keep on shaving. And it got to a point where I was satisfied. But the first time I used it though, I went 3 rounds. So first round, shave cream, second round, water, third round, water, to the point where I was satisfied with what I saw. So even if you go 2-3 rounds, it is still faster than the safety razor. With the safety razor, safety razor really teaches you patience. You have to take your time with this, because if you go too fast, you run the risk of cutting yourself. So how effective is the Freedom Grooming shaver compared to a safety razor? Well, I had to go through a couple rounds for it to get to the point where I was satisfied with it. But with a safety razor, I only do it once. So it's up to you to decide which one is better for you. Would you rather go 2-3 times with this through your head to get it down to this level, or do it once? Might take a little longer, but you're doing it once with a safety razor. And I feel like the safety razor still reigns supreme over the Freedom Grooming shaver. And of course, there's a reason why our fathers, grandfathers, just men in general have been using this for decades, if not centuries. I mean, it's one of those things where if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And it ain't broke, so don't fix it. I mean, listen, I appreciate the invention of this. So here's my shaving schedule. I always shave my head on Friday. So just when I shave my head, trim the beard, right? So even though I don't have a lot of hair, when I do shave my head on Friday, by Monday, it's starting to grow back. So I could see myself using this like on a Tuesday to kind of bring it down to this bald level that will carry me over to Friday again when I use the safety razor. So Fridays for the safety razor, Tuesday for the Freedom Grooming shavers. So I am not getting rid of this at all. I appreciate this. I'm gonna keep using this, but I'm gonna keep this as well. And speaking of safety razors, this is a single blade. When you see these commercials from like these big shaving companies that show you shavers that have like 5 blades, that causes irritation on your skin. You don't really need 5 blades on your skin. All you need is one, and it cuts real smooth. The skin on your head is much tougher than the skin on your face. So anytime I use the safety razor, I get a nice clean shave. So how do I feel about the Freedom Grooming Shaver? I like it. You know, it's a nice tool you can add to your shaving kit. Would you be perfectly fine without this and just using a safety razor? Absolutely. But if you want to add something new and different to your shaving routine, I would say, yeah, give it a shot. I do have a friend of mine who bought one and had to return it because he has sensitive skin and he had a bad experience with it. He said he couldn't even lay his head down. So caution, if you do have sensitive skin, it might be an issue. But I will also say give it a shot. You know, you have a 30-day money back guarantee. As a matter of fact, the card that it came with has a discount code that you guys can use if you can focus. There you go. So use that code, get 15% off, I believe. 15% off, yes. And if it doesn't work for you, get your money back within 30 days. The best time I feel you can use this is in the shower. So while you're in the shower, after doing your thing in the shower, just put some shave cream on and do it real quick. So I like it, but I don't like it enough to get rid of my safety razor. I'm gonna still hold on to that. Cause like I said, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Have you seen ads of this on social media? I know they have a really strong marketing campaign. Let me know your experience. If you've bought one, was it a good experience? Was it a bad experience? I know there's other brands out there that do something similar to this. Have you tried those brands, and what were your experiences with those brands? Again, leave your comments down below, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys next week, and until then, stay fly, stay fit.